Good day everyone, today is December 1. Our daily devotion is entitled Lordship of Christ. Our verse for today is John 13:13-14. You call me teacher out loud, and rightly so, for that is what I am. Now that I, your Lord and teacher, have washed your heart, you also should wash one another's feet. We said, once your heart is clean, you can serve one another without judgment or anything else. For our teaching, Jesus leads by model. He leads one another. He sculpts us into something, into like Him by molding us into what we are now. He leads by doing what we saw through Him. We are called to follow Jesus' example. We're all called to become Christ, to follow Him because He is the standard that we should follow. The Lordship of Christ requires belief and obedience. The Lordship of Christ must have belief and obedience for it's difficult to worship of Him. For our application, influence others by being a role model. We must influence one another to being a role model to them. We must influence them so that they can also be like us, Christ-like, or following Him. Imitate Christ, conforming to us. We must imitate Him, imitate His daily things to do, imitate what He have done, and imitate how we think, so that we become a role model to others by imitating God's image. Lastly, externalize our identity as followers of Christ. Internalize our identity because we are followers of Christ and we wanted one another to realize we need to become also one.